In the real world, you can't just scream and everybody think it's normal. And when you get on the tennis court, you can just be like,
I'm really soft-spoken, but on the lanes, you know, someone's like, oh, we actually can hear Chris.
The way that we run and compete best is just when you're relaxed and having fun. Then once the gun goes off, you can get out there and compete.
I could have easily stayed in Singapore and continued doing what I was doing. I was bowling for our national team before I got here, but I didn't like how they were two separate entities of the bowling team and the school. I wanted an environment that kind of let me do both to the fullest extent.
Kristen Kwa, summa cum laude.
It's really opened up a lot of different opportunities for me. I mean, now going to grad school to basically continue working on MRI research.
it comes down to the culture here at Vanderbilt. I loved every moment of being in the class or being in the tennis court or being at the gym. I enjoyed it, so I have no regrets.
Fernanda Contreras Gomez.
I never thought I would get to go with 15 other student athletes to Morocco to do service. It was life-changing.
I really like doing research because I think that it kind of is one way to be able to give back to the intellectual community that you benefit from.
Evan Sussman.
I'm really excited for what comes next.